Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Diana. Today's video we'll be making some chalupas of chicken. In our video, we're gonna go ahead and what we need is our oil, hot oil. I'm using canola oil. We can use vegetable oil, what you feel more comfortable. I'm making my frijoles, the one I used earlier. If you haven't seen my video, you can link to my video before and you can find the recipe, and that's what I'm using. We got our chicken for our topping. That is we'll be using, and our salsa that I made earlier today as well. And you can also look in my video. And our lettuce, tomato, onions, and our shredded cheese. I'm using Kobe Jack, but you can use any other cheese you want, and you can add more other toppings if you want. Sour cream, things like that, or you can use queso fresco, cojita, any type of cheese you like. It is good. It just depends on you how you like your chalupas on your toppings. So we're gonna go ahead and start with turning our oven. I mean, not oven, stove. Sorry, our stove, and we're gonna go ahead and turn it in medium heat. I'm gonna go ahead and smash our beans since they have been very kind of hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and smash these. Okay, so we have our beans smashed. Make it kind of almost like refried beans, but not quite. I don't like it really dry, like a little juice on there. Make it nice and moist. I'm gonna leave that in just a little bit, a little more, a little bit like in the low heat air side. We got our oil. Sounds like it's hot, so I'm gonna turn it up just a little bit, and so we got our oil to be hot. I'm gonna get our tortillas. I'm gonna get ones that is not kind of torn. I'm trying to nothing that's falling apart. I'm gonna put our, seems that our oil is not that kind of hot yet, but it's starting to get hot. So, and let that cook the shell so it's nice and crispy to make it into an actual flat shell. So we're going to go ahead and continue this process. Get this shell nice and hard. I always like to make my own shells instead of buying them. It's more authentic than the one that you buy at the store. This beans look like it's ready. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the heat on the beans. And I can probably put another one in here while it's going. You don't want to put too much tortillas in the oil because they can probably stick to each other. So you want to work on one by one, and if another one fits, then you put another one. Okay, aquí, as you can see, ya mero está listo. It's almost ready. I'm going to go ahead and prepare our tostada, or chalupa de pollo. Vamos a sacar el aceite. Take it out of the oil. Go ahead and turn this off. I'm going to go ahead and prepare them. Get our beans. And you spread it everywhere. I like to spread it evenly everywhere. So every time you get a bite, you taste everything. Makes it so delicious. Then you got our chicken. And spread it everywhere. Then you put our toppings. Then you can put your salsa. I like to put our salsa. Now we don't go everywhere. We get it all over the place. Evenly. Get your lettuce. You cut your lettuce and your tomato. If you don't like tomato, you don't have to put tomato. And our cheese. If you don't want onion, you can put no onion. If you want onion, you can put onion. At this point, I'm only gonna put tomato, cheese, salsa, and lettuce. So here is my final my tostada, and as you can see, it is lettuce, tomato, salsa, and cheese. And I'm gonna go ahead and taste it, and it's very delicious. I guarantee you. It's good, delicious, savory, not too spicy, delicious. This is our chicken chalupas. So from my kitchen to your kitchen, I guarantee you will like it. Just go ahead and try it. Try this recipe, and I'm gonna go ahead and make my husband his as well. You can put whatever toppings you like, and if you like onions, tomato, sour cream, you put all the toppings you like. And just try this recipe, and you'll like it. So, and also, I am new at this channel. If you can like this video, subscribe, and click on the notification bell, I'd be really appreciated. Thank you so much, and we will go ahead and do more videos of my cooking and future videos. Thanks, and thanks for watching. Appreciate it.